I wanted to share how easy it is to knit with this yarn. It is a two-weight yarn and it will make a great summer knit project, and it doesn't split because of the spun of the yarn. It doesn't split, and having that cotton blend makes it perfect for summer wears, and it feels very nice when you knit with it. This is how much I crocheted so far, and this is how much I have left from that one ball of yarn here. So it has a very good yardage. The stitch definition is absolutely gorgeous, and it goes really fast. It's a two-weight yarn, and it will make a great summer project if you decide to do summer projects with it because of the cotton blend, and it has this very nice and feeling of that velvety yarn. I love it. I wanted to share Yarnart jeans of this beautiful pink color. This is color 59, and look at the yarn. It's a two-weight yarn, so it's on the thin side, but it's well spun, so it doesn't split so easily. But that color is just gorgeous, and it's so nice on the touch. The neck test also goes really well, and it's a 50-gram ball with 174 yards. So it has quite a yardage on that. It's just beautiful to work with it.